Welcome to the installation guide for AquaTru On-Wall Bottle Filler with Bubbler. This video will guide you through each step of the process. Note: for the product warranty to apply, this product must be installed by a licensed plumber. Let's start with what's included in the box. Inside, you'll find the assembled bubbler unit, manual, the mounting bracket, drain tube, hardware, and the filter. Make sure you have all these components. Before beginning the installation, you'll need the following tools for the installation: drill, screwdriver, a level, a measuring tape, a Torx T20 bit, and an adjustable wrench. First, prepare your installation by finding the center line of where you want to install the unit. There are drawings available online and in the manual that show the location of the mounting point relative to the drain line, water supply, valve, and electrical outlet. For ADA compliance, measure 43.5 inches up from the floor, along the center line, and make a marking. Install one anchor at the marked point and hang the bracket from that point. Level the bracket and mark all other mounting holes. Remove the bracket and prepare the other anchor points according to the instructions for your chosen wall anchor. Reinstall the bracket and secure it with all the fasteners. Now hang the cooler unit on the bracket. Remove the front panel by undoing the two T20 screws located just under the front panel. Now bolt the unit to the wall using the two wall anchor points shown. Next, connect the water supply to the inlet solenoid. Now trim the drain tube to length and slide it into the silicone rubber boot found between the filter manifold and the evaporator tank. Now install your P-trap according to local regulations. This may require you to slide the drain tube up or down in the silicone boot or trim it to length. Now it's time to plug in the cooler unit to an electrical outlet. Remove the filter from its carton and peel the yellow protective cover from the filter manifold. To install the filter, line up the molded arrows at the top of the filter with the markings on the filter manifold. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Dispense water until there are 20 bottles displayed on the bottle counter. This is roughly 10 liters. To prevent flooding and vandalism, the device will stop dispensing every 20 seconds. You should now adjust the height of the bubbler stream. The bubbler stream height can be adjusted at the variable flow valve inside the unit with a 1/4-inch Allen key. For ADA compliance, the height of the stream above the sink needs to be 4 inches. Before you close the unit, you can also adjust the thermostat. The factory sets the thermostat to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 5 degrees under test conditions. To adjust the temperature, rotate the thermostat dial. The dial is labeled for your reference. After you've made the needed adjustments, reinstall the front panel and secure it using the 2 screws on the bottom. And that's it. Your AquaTru On-Wall Bottle Filling System with Bubbler is now installed and ready to use. For more information or assistance, visit our website or contact our support team. Thank you for choosing AquaTru.